Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new It's Potato video on the It's Potato channel. Uh, today we are today is the part two of our chill outro tutorial. And I will be teaching you how to get the backdrop set up. Um, you may recognize some of the code from the outro tutorial I made last year, and but this one is a chill one, making it not as well active as some outros that you see on the explore page and trending. So first we're going to play this play our outro so far, see what we have. I think it's good. Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. So now we need to work on the backdrop. This, personally, it doesn't look so good. I mean, it's fine, but it's kind of boring. You know what I mean? It's really boring actually. So we're going to change it. We're going to make a parallax background, making it like adjust to your mouse cursor. Now, I'm gonna go for like a mountain-ish kind of vibe. So I'm gonna make another one of these. I'm gonna click paint again, and then I'm going to sorry, excuse my voice. Um, let's go with black for now, and let's zoom in. Now let's make this, do this, and do some of this. There we go. And now we need to connect it to the beginning line like this. There we go. So how are you guys? Do you guys enjoy your summer break now since it's already June? Comment down below how you feel about summer break. Anyways, okay, there you go. I got this. Now let's see. I need to duplicate this too. Wait, what? Costume 3. Okay, costume 3. Let's see. See? Now you see the mountains. It looks really nice and really pretty. So, yeah. Now we need to make the parallax. So, I'm gonna add a sun in the background of this the background. So first you need to make a yellow color circled. You can hold down shift to make it a perfect circle. And then I will make another circle like this. And then I will do the transparency thing. And then swap, I think. No, that makes it look worse. Swap, make it slightly lighter. There we go. There you go. That looks really nice. It looks like a really nice sun. Anyways, we are going to delete that. Now we need to copy and paste this. I will put this in the middle, and then put this in the middle, and then move this to the side, and then group it. Group, and then now move it back here. Okay. Now I will get the parallax code set up. First, we need to work on code number 2. We need to go to operators, get 2 divides operators, and then go to sensing and get a mouse X for the X position, and move mouse Y for Y position. Now let's start with 5, and let's see how it works. And we need to add a forever loop to it. I just realized. Okay, now let's try to. Okay, so the code doesn't work amazingly, but we will fix that in the next part, which stay tuned for will be for tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Have an amazing day.